Subscribe my channel Android Banda and hit the bell icon to get my latest new updates for reactions. 10 seconds silence for PK Tomo. So guys, today is the very much darkest day, man, because the great TikTok of Cambodia, TikTok star PK Tomo has gone out from our earth, from the world. It's the really sad moment for all the Cambodia's people and me too, man. A young talented boy, a young talented teenager boy. This could not be done, man. This could not be done. I am today very much feeling heartbroken, man. Very much feeling heartbroken. PK Tomo is the best TikTok star from Cambodia, and I also look to PK Tomo some TikTok, man. He is popular creator from Cambodia, PK Tomo. And suddenly when I start YouTube today, I saw just now that PK Tomo is no more. It can't be, man, it can't be. This year is the worst year from all the time, man. This year 2020 is the worst time, man. This year 2020, how much people will take down, man? How much people will take down? Could not believe that, man. Such a 17 years boy, PK Tomo, is no more in our earth. Oh man, the heart really broken, man. The heart really broken. What is going on in this world, man? What is going on? This year, the starting is also not so good, man. The starting is also not so good. The 2020 year will take his name in dictionary, man. Is the worst year, the 2020. There is in coronavirus many millions and billions of people are dying, man. Billions of people are dying from all over the world. And now the TikTok star PK Tomo could not believe, man. Could not believe. Hard to believe, man. Hard to believe. I watched YouTube. Suddenly I got that one clip that famous TikTok star from Cambodia, PK Tomo, has got accident and the doctor says that he is no more. It totally feels, man, totally heartbroken moment, man. Now what will happen? His mom and his dad, I am feeling very much embarrassed, man. I am feeling very much embarrassed. May God rest his soul in peace, man. May God rest his soul in peace. Hard to believe, man. Hard to believe. What can we do, man? What can we do? If God can save that boy, man, it could be helpful, man, but now everything is finished, man. So we can pray, man, I can pray, man, his soul may rest in peace, man. And I want to see, man, how he got accident and how the stranger guy has done this, man. If I get him, man, I will not keep him, man. I will not keep him. How could, man? How could the accident could be, man? How could the accident? Everyone is traveling in road, man. The traffic police safety is there, but no one follow that rules, man. No one follow the traffic rules, and these disasters happen, man. And it's really very much shocking for me. It's really very much shocking for me. What can we say, man? So I will watch in memories of PK Tomo some TikTok videos of him, man, in memories of him. Man. So guys, let's start. Oh man.
Bóng slang sấy được gặp rồi.
Oh man, he is looking really like Banda. His face is looking really like Banda, man. The single mustache. Oh, this guy is not there. Oh man.
Facebook chat មកជាហោហាយ
Oh man
ខ្ញុំមកជួបមកអត់លហើយពេលជួបហើយមានអារម្មណ៍មិនដែរមិនមែនគីឡូមេក៏មិនមែនគីឡូស្រ័យកុំចង់មកប៉ាំងក៏កុំចង់ใครจะจริงใครจะจังมันก็ช่างตัวเขาแค่ตัวเรารู้เราสั่งเขาอะไรใครจะ
Oh man, the God, man, how can God do like this, man? How can God do like this? Oh man, he is really looking like Banda, man. Are you guys agree? Tell me in my comment section, man. He is such a handsome guy. What is the age, man? What is the age? Such a teenager boy. Oh man, this is the coronavirus time video, I think. That time also he is doing TikTok. The previous day also he is doing TikTok. Man. That could not be done, man. That could not be done. Oh man, his smile is very much beautiful, man. He is. ឲ្យសត្រូវមកខ្លាចឈីមិតដូចត្រូវរន្ទះបាញ់ចូលវាយ៉ាងមិនចូលបាញ់ចរិតមិនមានតែអញអស់ចាមមានតែវាអ្នកផ្សេងទៅតែចាច់ឲ្យតម្លៃវាមិនតែវាលើកខ្លួនជាស្ដេចត្រាញ់ជន់ May his soul rest in peace, God.
Hello hello អំភយូយអេមមកគេនេះ Hello hello everybody and gentlemen welcome to DJ សុកស្រាយសុំជម្រាបពុកម៉ែយាយតាកន្លះមុំសុំជម្រាបជា
Oh man, he's feeling me goosebumps looking at him, man.
Hello?
Thinking that he is not there.
Hello hello everybody and gentlemen welcome to DJសុកស្រាយសុំជម្រាបពុកម៉ែយាយតាកន្លះមុំ
Guys, please uninstall this year, man. Uninstall this 2020 year, man.
Hello?
Uninstall, man. Uninstall, man.
Hello hello everybody and gentlemen welcome to DJ សុកស្រាយសុំជម្រាបពុកម៉ែយាយតាកន្លះមុំសុំជម្រាបជាមុនថាខ្ញុំជាអ្នកណា
Oh man, his original voice. Oh man, how can God be so much tough, man? The God's heart is very much tough, man. How could the God can take such a kind, such a beautiful heart to him, man? How can God, man? How can God, man? His smile, man, will not be seen now, man. Oh man, it's hurt, man. It's hurt. It's very much hurt. Looking at this clip and thinking that he is not there, it's very much hurt, man. It's very much hurt. So I want to look that clip, that Khamer news. From that I have got the news that he is not there. I want to look that clip, man. I will not understand. This is in Khamer language, but I will want to understand, man. This is a really very much shocking, man. This is really very much shocking. This cannot be done, man. This cannot be done. Why, man? Why people are not following the traffic police rules, man? I don't know, man. Why people are not? Why attitude is more important than life? I am saying attitude is more important than life, or style is more important than life, man. In road using earphone, then riding on a bike and not wearing helmet because he could not see his hairstyle to public. It can ruin your life, man. It can ruin your life. Follow the traffic rules, man, because life is more precious than everything, man. Life is more precious than everything. If life is not there, then what you will do with your style and what you will do with your attitude, man? So I will look the news, man. Let's start. Let's start.
ញាតិគោរពនឹងជំរាបសួរអស់លោកស្រី
អ្នកនាងកញ្ញានិងប្រិយមិត្តទាំងអស់គ្នាជាទីមេត្រីសូមចូលរួមរំលែកទុក្ខផងតារា TikTok រតនៈផ្កាយជួបគ្រោះថ្នាក់ចរាចរណ៍ស្លាប់បាត់បង់ជីវិតហើយបន្ទាប់ពីពួកគេជិះម៉ូតូទ្រឹងមួយគ្រឿងដូចគ្នាបោះពួយយ៉ាងលឿនទាំងភ័យស្លន់ស្លោបានរំពងតប់ភ្លឹងសញ្ញាចរាចរណ៍ក៏ជ្រុលទៅបុកចំពីចំហៀងខាងស្ដាំរថយន្ត Highlander
I'm looking his face man constantly can't believe man
កំពុងបោកដេញពីក្រោយ
I think this car he was there
គឺសង្ស័យមានចំនួនជាមួយគ្នាបង្កឲ្យមានការភ្ញាក់ផ្អើលកាលពីវេលាម៉ោង 10:05 នាទីយប់ថ្ងៃទី 14 ខែមិថុនាឆ្នាំ 2020 នេះត្រង់ចំណុច stop កងរាជអាវុធហត្ថតាមបណ្ដោយផ្លូវ 289 កែងនឹងផ្លូវ
Just
523 ស្ថិតក្នុង
6 hours ago it's happened if I complete the video you can find about 6 hours ago
ពីក្រោយម៉ូតូខាងលើបានបើកគេចចេញពីកន្លែងកើតហេតុ
man he has also Facebook profile active
ក្រោយកើតហេតុក៏មាន
then who will start his Facebook man
បានមកដាក់យកជនរងគ្រោះយកទៅមន្ទីរពេទ្យផងដែរតែប៉ុន្មានម៉ោងមុននេះយុវជនម្ចាស់ម៉ូតូត្រូវបានគេស្គាល់អត្តសញ្ញាណហើយមានឈ្មោះថាចាំសម្បត្តិរតនៈផ្កាយដែលជាតារាល្បីក្នុង TikTok មួយរូបផងដែរដោយសារតែមានស្ថានភាពរបួសធ្ងន់ធ្ងរខ្លាំងពេកផ្កាយបានទទួលមរណភាពហើយរីឯរថយន្តនិងម៉ូតូត្រូវបានសមត្ថកិច្ចមូលដ្ឋាននិងជំនាញចុះមកធ្វើការវាស់វែងយកទៅរក្សាទុកនៅអធិការដ្ឋាននគរបាលខណ្ឌទួលគោងរងចាំធ្វើការដោះស្រាយគ្នាទៅតាមផ្លូវច្បាប់
Friends, tell me in my comment section in English
TikTok មួយរូបត្រូវបានបាត់បង់ជីវិត
what she is telling in comment
ដោយសារតែគ្រោះថ្នាក់ចរាចរណ៍ដែលគាត់មានឈ្មោះថា
I think she is telling how he died
បងប្អូនដែលលេង TikTok មួយ
the TikTok star
ស្គាល់គាត់ហើយមិនដឹងថាមានរឿងអ្វីកើតឡើងនោះទេហើយជាគាត់បើកម៉ូតូលឿនថែមទាំងបំពេញភ្លើងស្តុបទៀនហើយក៏ជ្រុលទៅបង់រថយន្ត Highlander ទំហឹងតែម្ដងបើតាមការឲ្យដឹងបឋមគឺមានរថយន្ត Morning មួយគ្រឿងដេញតាមពីក្រោយពួកគាត់ផងដែរដោយគេសង្ស័យថា
Really the God's heart is very much tough
ចាហើយពេលនេះដែរសពក៏ត្រូវបានបញ្ជូនទៅកាន់ស្រុកកំណើតហើយដើម្បីធ្វើបុណ្យទៅតាមប្រពៃណីចាហើយតេតងនឹងព័ត៌មាននេះដែរក៏សូមបញ្ចប់តែត្រឹមនេះសូមអរគុណសូមគោរពលា
Guys, I have no words, man. I have no words, man. I can't say any words from now, man, because my words are stopping in my throat. If I say, man, my cry will come, man. My words are stopping in my throat. It's feeling hard in my throat. This could not be done, man. This could not be done. Lastly, I can say, man, may his soul rest in peace. That's much. But I can't figure out, man. Bye bye.